Body Break.
Body Break with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Looks terrific. Sloppy Joe sandwiches have been a favorite of kids of all ages for more than 60 years. Now, nobody really knows how they got their name, but everyone agrees the sloppier, the better.
In our Sloppy Joe recipe, there's no cholesterol or saturated fat because we're using a veggie ground round, a tasty, healthy soy-based product as an alternative to meat. It turns this old-time favorite into a healthier choice. So here's how we made it.
Add olive oil and saute diced onions, red and green peppers, and minced garlic for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then add tomato sauce, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, basil, oregano, and sprinkle with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then stir occasionally for about 10 minutes. Now add 1 package of original or Italian veggie ground round and combine it with the mixture and heat for 1 to 2 minutes. It's quick too, because you're simply reheating an already cooked product.
Sloppy Joes are an easy, tasty way to use one of many soy-based products now available.
And soy is an excellent source of protein and is rich in nutrients.
If you'd like a copy of our Sloppy Joe recipe, write to us, fax your request, or surf our website at bodybreak.com.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun. You know, Joe, they could have named this after you.